Hi guys, it's Mark. Just a quickie. You've probably just experienced a quick dip in the price. I'm just looking at the 30-minute chart, and you'll see here that we've experienced this dip from around 64,000 here. This was 25th of October, 5:30, and we now just went down all the way to 57.9, and we've recovered a little bit up to 59.2-ish. But just a little warning, guys, the dip may not be over. So if I just look at this is a very low time frame, 30 minutes. But if I go up and look at these higher time frames, and they have more power. But if we just go to the daily is still obviously looking bullish. But we have, the money is still coming slightly out, still looking bullish, but we're looking for a turn. This is printing really a doji between sort of 61.7, and 58. So 58 holds. We're still in this area of support. So we may very well recover from here if this pullback was enough for the market to see value. I'm expecting it to come down though. I'm expecting it to come down to between 53, 54k, something like that, which is where this blue line is here. This is the 50 period moving average on the daily. And if I just go to a slightly sort of mid-range, 6 hours, so each candle here is 6 hours, you can see here that we've come down to 57. I had a line on the chart of 57. We didn't quite reach that. I've got another line here at 56, but I've got this, this 200 sort of daily moving average. It likes to revisit this. It likes to revisit this line, and I've got it around 53.8, something like that. But obviously that's been creeping up over the last, several weeks. In fact, the last time we visited this 200 period is when we broke it back in 1st of October. And obviously we saw this crazy, irrational rise up to 67,000. Since then, we've experienced a lot of slowly down. And this is the point at 59 where we had another go at trying to break above this high, but it obviously got rejected. And something important to note here, this is like a strength indicator, and it's interesting. But right now on the 6 hour, which is a very useful time frame, we've got this 21 versus this sort of -5. Now this candle hasn't completed yet. It's only halfway through. So we could see a little bit more down, and it would be healthy for the market to come down to this 53 and then come back. It's almost like it needs a run up to be able to attack this 67 and move onwards and upwards to 70,000 plus. So I just thought I'd make you aware. We very well might have, the market might feel that this 58,000 was enough of a pullback. As you can see, there's quite a lot of confluence through previous market prices. This is where obviously it was rejected, sort of here, and rejected, and then it obviously broke through it, and it's just come back down to test it as support. The market has bought it back up. So far so good, 59,260. But like I say, you can also see here on this green cloud that we've got money flow, and it's actually, it is coming down. It is coming down. We'll see if it gets to the zero line, and if it breaks below the zero line, then we could be looking at a further dip. And you'll see that the next area of support, if we break this area here at 53, well, there's a little bit at 51, but we're probably looking to come back down to test this area here around 47.5. All eyes on the charts. I just thought I'd give you an update. My 2 pennies worth. It's not financial advice, of course, but sometimes it's good to know the environment that we're in. Now remember, this is a 6 hour candles. So even if this money flow starts to come down, we're still looking at the current rate of descent. It could be the 28th of October in the morning, before we even get anywhere near this zero line. But you can see here just how quickly this is, we can drop. So that entire drop really was experienced relatively quickly. And the recovery, let me just, there you go. Just go to the 20-minute candles. So this drop from around from around 60,000 down to 58,000, $2,000 drop was within a 20-minute period. In fact, I believe it was a lot quicker than that. Have a look at the 10-minute. Yeah, as you can see. So we dropped from 60,000 right down to 57.9 in 10 minutes. Okay, just warning you off. It's a good time to stay out the market. And obviously, if you're a player and you like to play the market, volatility is your friend, but so is your trend. And right now, the long-term trend is up, but we've got this very steep short-term correction. So let's see what happens. 6-hour candles are your friends.